Hi, and welcome to Iron by Inside Learning Hub. This is the 27th video of the Java series. In this video, we will understand the logic of the how we can read a data from the Excel file. So far, we have covered the basic work structure of a Excel file and how do we can write a data into a Excel file. In previous video, we have created a file and write a data. So we will refer that file to read a data from that. Okay. So now I'm going to create another class under the file handling and the JXL JXL package. Okay. So before create a file, we will refer that file which we created here in previous video. Okay. So this is our targeted file and this is the data. So we will read. Okay. Now I'm going to create another class. Okay. Read Excel data using JXL. Okay. Now, so for read Excel, first we require to fetch the file. So with the help of file class, we can fetch the file. So get file, get file. Okay. So now right click on a file which you want to target to read a data and click a property and copy that path. Now paste that path. Now in coming video I will explain how we can create a controller to fetch the file by the file name. Okay. Okay. Now with the help of file class we fetch the file. Now we are required to fetch the workbook. Okay. So workbook is an abstract class which have different method in it. So we create a method workbook, or we can say create workbook. Okay. Workbook. Okay. Get workbook. So get workbook method will help to fetch the workbook from the Excel file. Okay. And now from the Excel workbook we required a sheet to read a data. So sheet. So get workbook. Get workbook object have a method and so many method we can say. This is 1 second. So many method. Okay. So many methods. So we will use a get sheet and we can fetch the sheet by the index or by the sheet name. So for now I'm using the index and this is a return type of sheet. So I'm giving a 0 and storing in the sheet object. Okay. Sheet get sheet. Okay. So get sheet also an interface. Okay. Now get sheet object have so many method which will help to read a data. So now from every sheet has a row and column, and when the column and row come together then created a sheet as already discussed in earlier video. So from the cell, in the cell have a data. Okay, so from the cell we will fetch the data. So so to do that we fetch the row and column. Okay, so every column start from the zero, row or column start from the zero. Okay, so zeroth index, and row, get sheet, and get row. So get rows will is a integer return type. Okay, and help to return all the row as per the data in a cell. Okay, in a row we can say plus plus. Okay, and now I'm fetching the column. Okay, get sheet, get column, help to return all the column as per the data. Okay, and get sheet object have so many method as I already told. Okay, so many method you can see that. So we will explain, I will explain everything in coming video, but for now I will use a get cell. So get cell, uh, we can get the cell by the particular cell address or by the row or column. So I'm going to use the row and column method. Okay, so here I'm fetching the cell. Okay, this is a cell return type method. So I'm going to store in a cell object, get cell. Okay, so get cell also in jxl library. Okay, and now so in from the cell we easily get a data. So for get a data, cell object have so many method which will help to perform so many activities according to our requirement. So for now I am going to fetch the data. To fetch the data we have a method for get content, get contents. Okay, so get contents method is a string return type. So we will store we can store the data in a string format, or we can print directly here. Okay, so I'm going to print the data here. 1 second. Okay, okay, now before run the program I'm going to print I'm going to explain everything. Okay, so fetch the file, or we can say excel file, and fetch the workbook from the excel file. Okay, from the file, and fetch the sheet, and fetch all rows, and fetch all column, and fetch all cell, okay, and fetch the cell data. Okay, now run this. Hope everything is fine. Okay, now perfectly fine. We get our the Excel data in a console. Okay guys, okay, so you can see this is our Excel data. Okay, name, age, name Sumit, Akash, Dhruvi, age, okay, 335, everything we fetch. Okay, so this is a concept of the how we can fetch the data from the Excel file. Okay, okay, I hope you have liked the video. To show your response, please hit the like button. And if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to receive the notification for updated video. I would glad to receive your feedback, your suggestions and your queries in the comment section. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Thanks.